So keep that in mind when you're changing out those needles in the machine. So coming down here, we've got your bobbin. This is your bobbin case, right? So first things first, we'll go ahead and pop this out of here and we'll walk through doing one of these. So these are the magnetics. So if I'm holding this in my hand, I'm going to turn where you can see it. If I'm facing this here, I'm going to place this in where the magnet's at the back. And when I pull this string, we're going clockwise, okay? If I turn it sideways, you got a small cutout. I'm going to go into my small cutout, up over the top of this fork, and you'll watch right here, it's going to snap in, okay? So it's inside that little finger. The good thing to think about, let me pop this back out one more time, is one, every 4 hours or every couple bobbin changes, we need to be oiling this hook. So let's talk about that while we're right here. That hook is right here.